So this is the automation in the free Lite version of our automated sheet. So if you hate organizing, or if you don't have the time in organizing each patient information on a Google Sheet, then this is the one for you. So for example, I took a lot of calls, or I took a lot of patient information from an EHR or EMR. I'll just need this line, and I'll just fill it as I go. So for example, I took 5 or 6 patient information. I'll just need to copy paste them in the first column. Then I'll just wait for less than a minute before it will auto segment into the respective column. And now you can see that the patient's information has been segmented to the respective column. And you can see here that Michael Jordan doesn't have any date of birth. That's because we put NA here as the date of birth. So let's say you made a typo error, and let's check if the automation will work. So let's say the patient ID should have been LOL. It should be the patient's name should have been Baylor Swift. And let's try putting a date of birth for Michael Jordan. So let's say November 11, 1958. And yeah, let's just wait for less than a minute to see if the automation will work. And yeah, now you can see that the patient ID is now LOL, the patient name is now Baylor Swift, and now Michael Jordan has a date of birth which is November 11, 1958. So yeah, quick and simple, and it's completely free, no strings attached. We just want you to try our automated sheet, and this is just the Lite version, and we have a lot of different automations on our free or on our complete automated sheet. And yeah, hope you like it. I'll just also include the link in the description below so that you can request one from us. And yeah, have a great day.